Exponential equation, question 7. 5 to the power 2x times b to the power x minus 3 divide 5 to the power x plus 3 equals to a to the power x minus 3. So we are trying to solve this one step by step. How? We are dividing both sides by b to the power x minus 3. This case we will get 5 to the power 2x divide 5 to the power x plus 3 equals to, here is a to the power x minus 3, and we are going to divide both sides by b to the power x minus 3. So here will be b to the power x minus 3. We can write a side note, divide both sides by b to the power x minus 3. Now we know once base are same, it means a to the power m divide a to the power n. Once base are same, in division we can write a to the power m minus n. So same thing here, base are same, which is 5. We can write 5 2x minus x minus 3, right? And look, here is another thing. If a by b, here a to the power n and b to the power n, if you want you can write a by b to the power n, because both power are same. So this case a by b to the power x minus 3 we can write. Now here 5 to the power 2x minus x, it will be x minus 3, and here a by b to the power x minus 3. Now here is an interesting problem. Look, we know once a to the power n and b to the power n, once power are same, that time we can write base equals to same, equals to a equals to b. So but this case we cannot write 5 equals to ab, here power are same. We cannot write 5 equals to ab because we have to find out the value of x. This case we can write like 5 to the power x minus 3 and divide a by b to the power x minus 3. It means we are dividing both sides a by b to the power x minus 1, and here is a 1. Now both power are same, which is x minus 3. This case we can write 5 by a by b to the power x minus 3, and here is equals to 1. Now once you divide a numerator by any fraction, the next fraction will be reciprocal. It means 5b divide a to the power x minus 3, and we have to make similar base. So this case against 1 we can write 5b divide a to the power 0, because we know a to the power 0 equals to 1. Now look, b by a, 5b by a and 5b by a, base are same. We can write x minus 3 equals to 0, and we are adding both sides by 3. So our answer will be x equals to 3. Very simple. These kinds of math looking little bit bigger size, but very easy. Just we are trying to solve step by step. No need any hurry. These kinds of math you should face at examination hall. So please carefully handle this one. Number 7 done. Question 8. 4 to the power x plus 2 equals to 2 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 14. From here 4 to the power x plus 2 we can write 2 to the power 2, it means 4, and here is a times x plus 2 minus, we can exchange this 2 to the power 2x plus 1, we can write 2 to the power 2x plus 1. We can write carefully, it means 2x plus 1, and this 14 will be unchanged. Now here is a 2 to the power 2x plus 4, and here we can write 2 to the power 2x times 2 equals to, here is a 14. Now this one also we can write 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 2x times 2 equals to 14. Now we can take common 2 to the power 2x. So 2 to the power 4 means 16 minus 2 to the power 2x already take common. So here is a 2 equals to 14. Now here is a 2 to the power 2x, and 16 minus 2, it will be 14. So we can write this one. Now we are dividing both sides by 14. So we will get 2 to the power 2x times equals to, not times, already divide both sides by 14. So here is a 1. Here is a 1. So what can we do? We can write like, here is a 2 to the power x, and against 1 we can write 2 to the power 0, because we know a to the power 0 equals to 1. Now base are same. Here is a 2x. So base are same, we can write 2x equals to 0. It means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. Once base are same, that time power will be equal. It means m equals to n. So here is a 2x equals to 0. Now what would be the answer? X equals to 0. And this is our required answer. So number 8 done. C 7 and 8 done. Question 9. 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2 minus x equals to 26. So here is a 5 to the power x plus, this one we can write 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power minus x equals to 26. So against this one, 5 to the power x will be unchanged. 5 square means 25. And against 5 to the power minus x, as per negative exponent, it means a to the power minus n means 1 divide a to the power n. So we can also write 1 divide 5 to the power x equals to here 26. Now we need to do something like, we can write 5x equals to a. So what will happen? So against 5x we can write a plus, here is a 25 divide 5x means a, right, equals to 26. Now we can make LCM a. So here is a square plus 25 equals to 26. Now we can cross multiply. So a square plus 25 equals to 26a. All right. Now here is a square. We can subtract both sides by 26a. So minus 26a plus 25 equals to 0. So now we are going to factorize this one. 25 can be write 25 times 1. It means 26. How? Look. Here is a square minus 25a minus a plus 25 equals to 0. Now we can take common a. So here is a minus 25. Then minus 1 we can take common. So here is a minus 25 equals to 0. Now look, we can take common a minus 25, a minus 25, and here is a minus 1 equals to 0, right? So in here we can do something. First, a minus 25 equals to 0. So either a minus 25 equals to 0. So we can add both sides by 25. So a equals to 25. A means what? A means, we already take, a means 5 to the power x. So 5 to the power x, and this 25 we can write 5 square. So base are same, x equals to 2. It's a one part. Second part, or a minus 1 equals to 0. Look, here is a minus 25a, another one is a minus 1, right? So we can write a equals to 1, then 5 to the power x equals to 1. Against 1 we can write 5 to the power 0. So it will be x equals to 0. So we have to answer x equals to either 0 or 2. Okay, very simple. So question 9 done. Now if you want, you can verify which one is exactly correct. So we try to verify our answer. We get to answer, so we need to verify something. So x equals to 0 or 2, which one exactly accurate? So verify left hand side. Here is a 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2 minus x. So first we will put 0. So look, 5, here is a 0, and 5 to the power 2 minus 0. So 5 to the power 0 means 1, because we know a to the power 0 is 1. So here when x equals to 0, and look, 5, 2 minus 0 is a 2. So finally 1 plus 5 square means 25, and we get 26. Look, here is a 26. What about 2? If we put left hand side, again we can write this one. Here is a 5 to the power x, then 5 to the power 2 minus x. So x, against x we can write 2. So 5 square plus 5, 2 minus x equals to 2. So when x equals to 2. Now it's an interesting thing, is a 5 square means 25, and 5, 2 minus 2 is a 0. So 5 to the power 0, 25. 5 to the power 0, it means a to the power 0 equals to 1. So 5 to the power 0 also equals to 1. And finally we get 25 plus 1, it's a 26. So the both answer is correct, which is x equals to 0 or 2. So have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.